Kajabi is hands down the best tool that you can use to start and grow your online business. They give you everything from product creation, hosting your website, hosting your online courses, membership sites, communities, podcasting, blogging, sending out emails, building your email list, opt-ins, like lead magnets. Everything is entailed inside of Kajabi, which is what makes it such a powerful platform. Now, when I'm helping people build their online business, there are so many holdups around technology that come up, and all the time I recommend Kajabi because it's made my life so much easier as an online entrepreneur. So I wanted to create a resource that would walk people through everything that they needed to know about how to master Kajabi and everything I've learned over the last 3 years or so of using this platform and building my own online business, which is why I created a playlist called Master Kajabi in 60 Days or Less. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through that playlist and show you everything that's entailed in this so that you can start to master Kajabi in 60 days or less. Coming in at video number 1, we have how to make money with Kajabi for beginners. But if you've been trying to use Kajabi, even if you're not quite a beginner, and you're just kind of struggling to make the platform work, this video is going to be incredibly important, which is why I put it at number 1. Number 2 is 10 things that I wish I knew before I bought Kajabi. So I've structured this playlist to where in the beginning, we're going over a bit of like the prep stuff, and then we start getting into the more like product creation and selling the product. Okay. So like choosing the right plan for Kajabi that best fits you and taking like an actual analysis of the plans rather than just like picking one. We'll go over the pros and cons that I wish I knew earlier and that I feel you need to know before you start investing in Kajabi. Go over a full step-by-step guide for beginners if you're totally new, 5 reasons Kajabi is the best business building tool. Then we start getting into more of the actual like building of your business in Kajabi. How to build beautiful websites in Kajabi. I'll show you how to create and add custom fonts in Kajabi to your website pages, or your landing pages, even your emails. How to set up your blog. If you have contacts or an email list on something like MailChimp or ConvertKit, I'll show you how to get your email list and move it over to Kajabi. It's really easy. It sounds complex, but it's really not. It's super, super simple. So I'll show you how to do that in this lesson. And then we have coaching on Kajabi, how to start your own coaching business, and I'll walk you through how to build out your coaching packages and whatnot inside this playlist and throughout all of this. I'll also show you how to grow your audience in Kajabi so you can actually start seeing new opt-ins coming in every single day, whether you're working or not, and then people can find out about your online courses or your coaching programs or to book a phone call with you. This is by far the best way to build trust ahead of time and passively build your email list. 5 types of digital products that you can sell in Kajabi. Most people think you only get 3 or 4. You actually get 5 of them. And technically you could make even more as well. I'll walk you through how to create an online course that people want to buy before you actually build it, which is really big. People, I hear it all the time. I want to build online courses, but I'm intimidated because what if I spend all this time building it and then nobody buys it? I've been there, it sucks, and that's why I made this video to show you how to prevent that from ever happening. Show you how to build your email list with a lead magnet in Kajabi and how to build a lead magnet, how to create online courses in Kajabi step-by-step tutorial. This is really helpful. 2 free and easy ways to film your online course, how to build a mini course in Kajabi, 3 ways to improve course completion rates in Kajabi. You can see at this point in the playlist, we're in the course building phase. Kajabi offers you built-in coaching and live Q&A videos that you can do completely inside of Kajabi, so no Zoom is required. I show you how to set that up inside of this playlist as well. Creating a drip course in Kajabi, how to hack the 3 product limit. If you're on the basic plan, you only get 3 products. If you're on the growth plan, you get 15. But regardless, if you're maxed out on products, I'll show you how you can still sell new products and make new offers even if you are maxed out on your Kajabi products. I'll show you how to sell your ebook inside of Kajabi, how to use cart abandonments emails to sell more and how to set that up in Kajabi, building your checkout page in Kajabi completely from scratch, how to build your first membership site, diving into the Kajabi community tab, adding certificates of completion. So when people finish your course, they automatically get a certificate that says, hey, congratulations, you finished the course, which is just really good for overall morale and people taking your courses. I'll show you how to master order bumps and upsells in Kajabi, how to create multiple payment options in Kajabi. If you want to start a podcast, you can do that all inside of Kajabi. So I'll show you how to start your podcast with Kajabi. If you want to have other people sell your digital products for you and, just spread it with word of mouth, you can set up your own affiliate program where you have your own affiliates in Kajabi. And I'll show you how to set that up as well. I'll show you how to create landing pages in Kajabi that actually convert and do the job that you want them to do. A couple little ninja tricks that are spread throughout this. I have one underused tactic for selling more in Kajabi. It's a really fun video, but I'm not going to tell you what it is. I'll let you watch the video and you can see. 2023 review, and then I start going into comparing Kajabi to some other popular alternatives that you could choose, like Teachable, Kartra, ClickFunnels, and Thinkific, and kind of the pros and cons and which ones I'd recommend. I did my best. I love Kajabi. I tried to make this as unbiased as possible and to just give you like the raw, real, like this is what you get versus Kajabi. I'll show you how to create a sales funnel in 30 minutes or less. It does not need to take you months to build a sales funnel. Kajabi essentially builds it out completely for you with the click of a button. Pretty amazing. How to create a high converting sales page with Kajabi. How to increase urgency with countdown timers. Creating coupon codes in Kajabi. Very, very helpful tools, especially when you're running little specials or sales and whatnot. How to build your email funnel in Kajabi. Email broadcasts and automations. Email automation tricks that I wish I knew earlier. How to create custom email templates that really just shortcut the success and keep your brand look and feel very consistent in your marketing efforts. Skyrocket your sales with automated webinars in Kajabi. I'll show you how to create an automated webinar funnel. If you already have a masterclass or a webinar of some kind, you can embed that into Kajabi, and it's actually really easy. How to streamline your online business with Kajabi automations. This is a big one. It's the biggest video in the whole thing. It's an hour and 13 minutes, the ultimate Kajabi demo. I go over every piece of Kajabi with timestamps inside of it, just so you can get a full 1 hour masterclass. Why Kajabi is the ultimate CRM solution or client relationship management tool. Mastering Kajabi analytics. This is how you're able to really boost your online business by paying attention to what's working and what's not working. I'll show you how to use third-party integrations with Kajabi, how to use Kajabi University to really grow your business, because you get free online courses from Kajabi and other experts that use Kajabi, and it's all geared towards Kajabi. It's all included with every plan, and most people don't know that. We'll show you how to use Kajabi assessments in your business to get more information and whatnot and actually use them effectively. You can customize your own app with Kajabi, which is a fun video. I love the app, and I'll show you how to play around with it and how to get it set up with the right look and feel that you're looking for. Testing Kajabi's AI Creator Hub. It's Kajabi's AI tool that they're working on. I'll show you if it's good or not and how you can actually use it and what you can really take away from it. Kajabi 30-day free trial plus one-on-one coaching. There's a lot of free trials out there. If you're interested in trying out Kajabi, there's a link in the description. It's my affiliate link, so if you sign up for Kajabi through my link, I just get a small commission of your investment in Kajabi, but there's no extra cost to you. Click the link in the description. It will take you to a page. It'll walk you through everything you need to know if you want to take advantage of that. I'll also show you how to make money on Kajabi with zero experience, like literally zero experience using the Kajabi Partners program. You can start to make money. And there's no cap on the amount of money you can make as well. It's pretty crazy. And then to close it out, we're gonna go over 9 essential Kajabi features that you may have missed. Now, you may not need to watch every single one of these videos to master Kajabi. You probably, if you've been using it for a while, have a good knowledge on how to use it somewhat, but I guarantee there's gonna be at least one thing inside this playlist that's really gonna help you out and give you a bit of an edge when it comes to using Kajabi to build your online empire. If you're ready to master Kajabi in 60 days or less, let me know in a comment below by saying, I'm ready, I'm doing this, give me some sort of insight, and let me know that you're committed to actually getting Kajabi mastered so you can really grow your online business. Honored to have you here, and I'm pumped to be helping you build your online business. I'll see you in the playlist.